Hi everyone, welcome back to Cute Nerdy DIY. Today's shout out goes to Evie Potter. Thank you Evie for watching the videos and becoming part of the Cute Nerdy family. If you would like to be part of the family, then all you have to do is subscribe and use the hashtag in the comments below. So the other day I mentioned about doing a giveaway if and when I reach 3,000 subscribers, and I literally can't believe it, but a few days later we've got there, which means there are now 3,000 cute nerdy friends out there, which I'm so grateful for. And like I said, for the giveaway all you have to do is like and subscribe, comment using the hashtag #CuteNerdyGiveaway, and then I'll pick a winner and I'll announce it in the next video. The winner will win all 3 of the little chocolate squishy makeovers that I did last week. So this channel is still fairly new to me and I absolutely love making videos. I was hoping to have a squishy makeover out today, but it's taking really long to do because it's quite a complex one which has required quite a lot of cutting up. So that will be out later in the week, but as I want to get as much out as possible, there will be a squishy makeover, a squishy room decor and DIY squishies out this week. I really want to try and get at least 3 videos out each week, maybe more if I can do. But yeah, that's kind of all I really wanted to say for today. Remember, if you have any suggestions or things that you'd like to see in videos, then please say in the comments below, because it's really cool if I can make something that you guys have suggested, and also the types of videos you guys want to see. But yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and yeah, remember to be kind, stay lovely, and I will see you in the next video.